Hi everyone, good day. We are the Group 5. We will talk about Chapter 9 Kitchen Mathematics. We have the objectives: able to obtain knowledge about kitchen mathematics, able to differentiate the portion control and ways of portioning food, able to apply and use it in our daily routine in the kitchen and also in our daily lifestyle eating. Our title, The Daily Lifestyle in the Kitchen Using Mathematics. And the last is our theme, The Application of Mathematics Can Help Us to Maintain Our Daily Lifestyle Eating. We will discuss two topics, which is 9.3 Portion Control, 9.4 Ways of Portioning Food. Before we proceed, let me show you the flowchart or the conceptual framework for our topics. Mathematics is essential in the culinary arts. There are tools that can help with food preparation such as measuring cups, measuring spoon, and scale. When cooking and baking, however, some knowledge of measurement, fraction, and geometry is required. Chef must be capable of measuring and weighting ingredients, timing recipes, and adjusting and measuring cooking temperatures. Furthermore, when developing recipes for special diets, it is critical to have a background in nutrition, science, and mathematics.
Hi everyone, my name is Labja Escambila. I will discuss the portion control to all of you. Portion control means choosing a healthy amount of a certain food. So the purpose of portion control is to ensure fair portion for each customer to maintain goodwill among clients, to ensure fair portion for fair price, and etc. We're going to see the standard portion, the amount, weight, count, size, or value of each food item which is sold to the guests for a stated price. We have three establishing portion control. They are effective purchasing, using standardized recipes, using portion control equipments. Effective purchasing is evaluating all available suppliers for performance, financial stability, and efficiency, and identifying two or more preferred suppliers. Effective purchasing is accurate specifications must be made to fulfill the portion control and more. Standardized recipes is to help ensure that the best possible food items are produced every time. Yes, accuracy in the use of standardized recipes helps in portion control. It is very essential to maintain and create satisfactory among the customers. So what is standardized recipes? This will be produce the best required results and quality and quantity at any required products and etc.
Portion controls equipment. Maintaining consistent of food portions is extremely important. Luckily, portion control tools help restaurant owners and staff maintain controls over how much food goes in each plate. Each type of portioning tools. We'll cover that and more in this. Some of the most common tools include portion scale, food dishers, and spatulas, but even everyday kitchen supplies like measuring cups and ladles. Tools for controlling portions, even single serving packets of condiments like ketchup or soy sauce are an example of restaurant portion controls. Portion controls not only refers to the amount of food on plate, but it can also refer to the amount of ingredients in particular dish. Example, if you own a burrito shop, you probably want your staff to include a consistent ratio of meat and rice in each burrito. That way, customers know that to expect and can return again to enjoy the products they love. The number one reason of portion control is the manage customer expectation and provide a consistent product. But another important reason to pay attention to your food portions is to reduce cost in your restaurant. Not only will portion control help you keep track of how much you're using of each ingredient, but it can also reduce food waste because customer will be less likely to throw food away if you offer appropriate portion size. No matter what kind of restaurant you operate, chances are you would benefit from implementing some portion control tools. By understanding the use for each of these handling items, you can improve the uniformity of your food and reduce the amount of waste due to excessively large portion.
Portion control, plating, and service. Weighting. Example, add the item into the container and wait until the scale reads the desired weight, like meat and fish. Counting. Example, 1 slice of bread per order. Weight, 4 ounces of sliced ham per order. Volume, scoop, spoon, and ladles. example, 2 scoops of ice cream per order. Even in division, example, cutting a pie into 8 equal wedges. Last is standard fill, cups, and glasses. Example, a glass of orange juice. Here are the advantages, effectiveness of portion control. Using equipment, it is used for portion at the point of services where exact measurement would lead to good customer relations. The service is quicker and the quality is better, and so on. We have the example. If you offer a spaghetti and meatballs as a dishes on your menu, the portion may be 1 and 1/2 cups of cooked spaghetti, 2 meatballs at 2 ounces each, and 3/4 cup of marinara sauce. It translates to making sure that each meatball is 2 ounces and each serving pasta is 1 and 1/2 cup with 3/4 cup of sauce.
A portion is how much food you choose to eat at one time, whether in a restaurant, from a package, or at home. A serving or serving size is the amount of food listed on a product's nutrition fact label or food label. Obesity is a growing epidemic, as more people than ever are struggling to control their weight. Increased portion size are thought to contribute to overeating and unwanted weight. Gain research indicate that many factors can influence how much you eat. People tend to eat almost all of what they serve themselves. Therefore, controlling portion sizes can help prevent overindulging. Here are tips to measure and control portion sizes, both at home and on the go. Use your hands as a serving guide. Another way to gauge appropriate portion size without any measuring tools is by simply using your hands, as your hands usually corresponds to your body size. Bigger people who require more food typically have bigger hands. A rough guide for each meal is high protein food, a palm-sized serving for women and 2 palm-sized portion for men, such as meat, fish, poultry, and beans. Vegetables and salads, a fist-sized portion for women and 2 fist-sized portion for men. High-carb foods, 1 cup hand portion for women and 2 for men, such as whole grains and starchy vegetables. High-fat foods, 1 thumb-sized portion for women and 2 for men, such as butter, oils, and nuts.
Ask for a half portion when eating out. Restaurant portions tend to be at least twice the size of our regular portion. Prevent overeating by asking for a half portion, ordering a starter instead of a main dish, and avoiding buffet-style restaurants. In fact, restaurant serving size are on average about 2.5 times larger than standard serving size, and up to a whopping 8 times larger. This will save you a lot of calories and help prevent overeating. Don't eat straight from the container. Eating food from larger packages or containers encourage increased intake. Try reportioning snacks into individual portion and serving family meals from plates to prevent overeating. For example, people ate 129% more candies when served from a large container than a small one. In another study, participants consumed over 180 fewer grams of snacks per week when given 100-gram snack packs than when given snacks in standard size packages. Rather than eating snacks from the original packaging, empty them into a small bowl to prevent eating more than you need. The same applies the bulk portion of family meals. Rather than serving food directly from the stoves, reportion it into plates before serving. Doing so will help prevent overfilling your plates and discourage returning for seconds.
Start all meals with a glass of water. Drinking a glass of water up to 30 minutes before a meal will naturally aid portion control. Filling up on water will make you feel less hungry. Being well hydrated also helps you distinguish between hunger and thirst. Be aware of suitable service size. Research indicates that we can't always rely on our own judgment of appropriate portion size. Knowing recommended serving size for commonly foods can help you moderate your intake. Here are some examples. First, vegetables and salad 1 to 2 cups or equivalent to 150 to 300 grams. Second is cooked meats 3 ounces equivalent to 80